flour and cornmeal in my bowl. I'm going in with some garlic. Now I'm going in with some Old Bay seasoning. Now I'm going in with some cayenne pepper, but just a little bit. I don't want my shrimp to be too spicy. Now I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm also going to be going in with some black pepper. And I'm going to be going with adobo Goya chicken season, the all-purpose one, without salt. Get the one without salt. And I'm going in with a little bit more Old Bay seasoning. And we're just going to be mixing everything, combining everything together. Give that a quick mix. Voila. So these shrimps are already washed, they're clean, they've been deveined, I'm sorry. Yeah, so we're pretty much going to be dipping these in the mix, in the flour mix that I created. And just shake off whatever excess that's on the shrimp. See, that was easy. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting the shrimp like in the middle. So if you want to have more of the mix, the flour mix inside the shrimp to get more flavor, get more tasting with everything, all the seasoning inside, you can cut it so it gets more all the way in. So that's pretty much what I'm showing you guys. See? Now it's more open, so there's more room for more additional seasoning to be inside. Don't forget to like, guys, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mealsbynatalia. And we're pretty much doing the same thing, just dipping it inside the flour and just like shaking off all the remains, like all the excess from it. See? It's not that bad after all. So yeah, this is quick a recipe on how to make shrimp. This is the egg wash that I have. I'm just like stirring it before I add the shrimp to it. I added milk also, so I added egg and milk to this egg wash. If you watch my Cajun shrimp video, I didn't add milk to my egg. Milk to the egg mix. So I'll post a video so you guys can also check that out, how to make a quick Cajun chicken. So pretty much what I'm doing is just adding it in the flour, then dipping it in the egg mix, then adding it back to the flour just to get more flavor all around, and just putting it on the board with some parchment paper so I can set it aside so it can be ready to fry. So it's easy, guys, like 3 steps. Flour, egg, flour, boom, then you fry. See? So now the shrimps are coated and we're just ready to put this in the deep fryer, or you can fry this on the stovetop. The option is up to you. I'm using a deep fryer in this video. So now I'm just like placing everything inside. Now we just let this fry. So don't forget, you guys can also do this on the stovetop. You don't have to do this in a deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, don't think that you can't make this without doing this on the stovetop. There's different ways to fry things. So this is pretty much how it looks. This is the result of it after it has been deep fried and everything. This is how it looks. It's quick, it's simple, 3 steps. I also made these homemade fries. I can also show a video on that as well. But this is my plate, like pretty much my platter with shrimp and fries. I can make a video, like I said, for you guys. I also made homemade buffalo sauce. If you want to see how I do that, comment below or follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I'll see you later.